Hello and welcome. We're gonna solve SQL Direct now. Let's connect to this. Okay, now we're gonna go to our Kali Linux machine. Let's put this here. I don't have this apt. Okay, let's install this. Here could be web shell solvable, so let's see it. Oh, and what's our password? Okay. The password is okay. This is good. I have no idea how to work with this, so like all maybe. Oh yeah, we have to add this. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, now we connected. List all the databases. Okay, \L, let's see. Pico Postgres template 0. Okay, we are gonna have to use Pico. Let's control C maybe. Or how can I exit? Bro. Q. Okay, yes, Q. Now let's switch to another database. We're gonna use the Pico one. Oh, we are on. Okay. Now let's list all the table. \DT. Good, we have a table called flag. Let's go, let's switch to it. Describe table, I don't want to describe. Okay, I need to read data from it. It returns all the columns and okay. It's easy as that. It's not easy as that. Oh my God. Now let's select all from table flags. Or was it called flag? Oh yeah, sorry. Select all from flags. Sorry, type it wrong. The semicolon. What's the syntax error? Oh, it's because I typed it once before. Okay, now we have the flag. Let's go. It was another experience for me. This is the first time I've ever interacted with this. I interacted with MySQL on Try Hack Me, but Postgres, it's a little bit different.